Hello viewers, hope you are all well. The BTS band fans were eagerly waiting for the McDonald's BTS meal. There is a big disappointment for them. The meals does not include photo cards or any other promotional material.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get one BTS meal, please?
It is not a happy meal. The BTS meal includes 10 pieces of chicken McNuggets, 1 medium fries, 1 medium Coke, Cajun and Sweet Chili sauces. The big difference is that the two new options of sauces. That's what it makes the BTS meal different from the normal McNugget meal.
Here we go. This is the BTS meal.
Okay, the first day of the promotion on 26th May and the following day, 27th May, they may have given the promotional toy or the group's photo cards, but they are not simply doing that anymore. All they give is the 10 chicken nuggets, and then they give you the regular French fries. Even that box is the same old McDonald's box, and they give you two new sauces. One is a Cajun one. Wow, a lot of chemicals in it. Okay, the other one is the sweet chili sauce. If you request them for additional sauce, they will give you ketchup, but not the Cajun or sweet chili sauce.
Okay, let's taste this chicken nuggets. Let's see what is it like.
I'm gonna taste this. It's good. The sauce is good. Definitely the sauce is good. It's not like a normal ketchup sauce. This has some twist to it.
Look at that. The sauce is so good. I finished the sauce. And the fries are still there. But the sauce with the chicken nuggets is really delicious.
Okay, I am disappointed with the packaging. They should have at least given out photo cards of the group. I think it's kind of a ripoff. It's nothing special except those 2 packs of special sauces. That's all. Hey, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.